Did you know that one of Europe's biggest DNA investigations started because of a water bottle thrown in the trash? In 2010, 13-year-old Yara Gambarasio vanished after leaving her gym in northern Italy. 3 months later, her body was found in a field. Under her fingernails was DNA from an unknown man. Police began collecting samples from every male in the region. 18,143 men gave their DNA. Years passed with no match. Then investigators got creative. They started testing trash from families of men who might be related to the killer. When they tested a water bottle thrown away by an elderly woman, they found their answer. The DNA belonged to her son, Massimo Bossetti, a bus driver who was never directly tested. But here's the twist. Bossetti had been conceived through a secret affair, making him a genetic ghost in their system. He claimed innocence, but was convicted in 2016. The case changed how police think about DNA investigations forever, but also raised scary questions about genetic privacy.